But is this good enough?
No!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something super fun. We're going to wrap a gift. Isn't that fun? So for this project you need we have this roll of brown paper, but you could use an old grocery bag or packing paper.
That comes inside of boxes.
And it doesn't have to be brown, it could be any color you want. But we're using this brown paper and this empty box that someone gave us to show you how to do it. Oh yeah,
You're going to also teach us how to wrap a present.
Yarn, yes, I'm going to show you all of that. So the first thing we're going to do is take our roll of paper and put our box. My mom used to say that when you're doing it, you should have the paper come up about halfway. Let me see if I can turn this and showing you. About halfway up the side of the box. So I try to do that, but you know, doesn't have to be perfect.
You're guesstimating.
I am guesstimating. I guesstimate on a lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm going to cut the paper. It might be a little loud. Whoa, very long.
That's fun.
Okay, then I'm going to sort of measure. Let me drop that down the floor. I'm going to sort of measure I want to flip it over. So I want this to come all the way over and just about touch it. And I'm going to cut right there, and I can save this other extra piece to wrap something small later. So dispose of that. And now here we go, wrapping a gift. So I don't want the ugly side to be shown there. So I'm going to do this and holding it very carefully. If you need some help, someone could hold it for you. I have wrapped a lot of gifts, so I kind of know how to do this. So I've got a piece of tape there. Now I'm going to do it from this end so you can see that I'm going to press the paper down, make some creases there, fold it over, make another crease down below there. I'm doing this without even seeing, so hopefully it's going to work.
Yes, it's very fancy, Miss Kate.
And then bring it up.
Perfect. That's what the cat said. Oh, that one was really good, Miss Kate.
Oh, good.
Good
Okay.
job. They were both good.
Thanks. So I'm going to put a little piece of tape here. And try not to use too much tape, except that I have to do it right there. Because the tape was not so great. And do it again.
Okay.
Try not to use too much tape, but if you need more tape, just, use it. Okay, now you have the box.
Very nice.
Which is lovely on its own, but you know what would make it even better? Yarn. So, in our basket in the hallway, we have lots of messy yarn.
Yeah.
So I thought, I know what we could do. We could just decorate a box using some glue and some yarn, and then a pair of scissors to cut it. So
Okay,
Miss Hazel
this is
had this
exciting.
idea that I could personalize each box. So I'm going to do that right now. This is going to be a box, but it's an empty box, Ed, sorry, for my brother Ed, who loves to visit us in our videos. So I'm going to write his name on this box.
Oh, that's pretty jazzy.
And his name is very short, so it makes it easy. I had to do, some names are a little bit longer, as you know.
But he has a long name, too.
Yes, he does have a very long name. This is Edward Griffin Mead. So it'll be a lot of letters.
Okay, look at that.
So here's his name in glue. Now, we decided that this blue is really nice. No, that's the multicolored one.
That's
We
pretty.
decided this blue is really
yeah,
nice. There it
that's
is.
kind of bright.
So I'm going to poke it in with my finger. And I'm going to get glue on my finger, but that's okay because I can peel it off later.
Or wash it off, or wipe
wash
it off.
Or wipe it, yeah. I just enjoy peeling the glue off. It's so fun. Okay, I'm going to snip that as best I can.
You didn't pick
Yeah, there you
the
go.
biggest scissors.
Yeah, I think a smaller pair of scissors would have been wiser. Sort of measure how long I want that to be. And cut that piece of yarn. And glue it in. And remember, this glue, even though it's white right now, will dry clear. So it doesn't matter if you make if glue comes out the side. Oh, I closed it. I couldn't get the glue out. I couldn't figure out what was wrong. Okay, now we're going to do the D right here. So I'm just going to wrap it around.
Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like how you circled it around like that.
I think that's going to work. You know, sometimes we make these things and I haven't actually practiced ahead of time, but this one worked. Okay. Sometimes I just do things because, you know, it's fun. Okay, now there is the letter D.
Oh, yeah.
But is this
Yes.
good enough?
No!
No, it is not. So now I'm going to do some squiggly things around here.
Ooh.
Oh, this glue is looking like it's
How sad is it plugged?
got a little bit of a plug. So sometimes you have to check your glue. It may have been left open at some point and then, oh
There
yeah,
we
here it
go.
goes.
Now it's happy.
That's
Ooh,
really
that's
coming
very
out.
squiggly.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't even know if I have a piece long enough for this.
Oh, I
Let's
like
go
that.
find out.
Yeah.
Okay, but always remember to close your glue so things like what just happened doesn't happen again.
It's a pretty color.
Let's see. I don't know
It's
how
like
far we're
you're
going to get with
taking
this
your
one.
glue for a walk. Oh, it looks like it's nice and messy for you, Miss Kate.
It's very messy.
You're enjoying that.
It's really good. I've got glue all over me. Just trying to get on my
Ooh.
sleeves. Okay, so I have to keep looking down and see what I'm doing. But you can do it, you know, kind of whatever design you want. You can just make this a really fun and personalized wrapping job that anyone would love to receive.
You.
Okay. All right, I think I could just keep working on it, but imagine that this is under
that
your
is
tree.
so nice.
Or someone's birthday, it's Ed's birthday, and I say, "Happy birthday, Ed," and he says, "What? Is this my piece of, is this my gift, this art?" And I'll say, "No, open it up."
Open it up. It's a nice empty box.
Yeah, he'll be a little bit sad with this one, but you know, it's okay. It's a thought that counts, right? Okay, have fun with this. If you make some and want to send us photos of them, you know, we love that. We'd love to see some photos. I get to keep
Also,
moving around.
here's another challenge for you.
Okay.
If anybody has a yarn project that they do that you haven't seen us do, or you haven't seen Miss Kate do because she's our yarn gal, send it to us. We want to see what you're up to with your yarn.
We would love that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thanks so much everyone
All right.
for coming to see us. We'll see you next time.
Bye friends.